If a judge chooses to deny the Internet Archive's appeal, which is likely, the site may be faced with more lawsuits and forced to remove content of questionable copyright. Dokploy is a free self-hostable platform as a service. It simplifies the deployment and management of applications and databases. Dokploy allows developers to deploy applications efficiently and securely on any VPS. It features Traefik integration, real-time monitoring, database backups, and more. Effective altruism and effective accelerationism mostly just disagree on the topic of AI safety. There is agreement on nearly everything else. As long as you're providing value to people and/or having fun doing it, it doesn't matter what technical choices you make. Things will change, but programmers will still be around writing useful programs. GitHub Copilot Workspace is a platform where any developer can go from idea to code to software in natural language. It allows developers to brainstorm, plan, build, test, and run code in natural language and tweak different Copilot-powered agents. GitHub Copilot Workspace is designed to enhance developer creativity and materially lower the barrier to entry to building software. This article provides an introduction to the platform along with an overview of how to use it. OpenAI's memory feature, which allows ChatGPT to store queries, prompts, and other customizations, is now available to ChatGPT Plus paying subscribers outside of Europe and Korea. Memory lets users tell ChatGPT to remember certain details and allows the chatbot to learn from conversations. Users have control over what ChatGPT retains and what is used for additional training. ChatGPT will tell users when memories are updated. The feature will eventually roll out ChatGPT Enterprise and Teams, but OpenAI has not specified when. China's government has signaled its blessing for Tesla to roll out its advanced driver assistance service in the country. Tesla will deploy its full self-driving service based on mapping and navigation functions provided by Baidu. Being able to roll out FSD in China will help Tesla compete with major Chinese car makers, some of which already provide higher-level driver assistance features. Chinese officials have yet to respond to Elon Musk's request to transfer the data that Tesla cars collect in China to the US to further train the system. China's Chang'e 6 mission aims to land on the far side of the moon and collect up to 2,000 grams of lunar material to return to Earth. The mission will also include international scientific payloads from France, Sweden, Italy, and Pakistan. The launch time has yet to be disclosed, but navigation warnings indicate that the launch is expected early Friday. China plans to send a crewed mission to the moon by 2030 and establish a permanent lunar base through the International Lunar Research Station program in the 2030s. Kaytu reduces cloud costs for engineering, DevOps, and SRE teams by recommending optimal workload configurations based on actual usage. Investors' reaction to Meta's recent earnings call shows skepticism about the company's short to medium-term future. This article looks at the company's long-term prognosis. GPT-2 chatbot recently appeared in the LMS's chatbot arena, demonstrating greater compatibility than any previously known GPT-2 model. There is little information about the model listed on the site or elsewhere. This article explores the model and its capabilities. The model appears to be based on the GPT-4 architecture and consistently provides different outputs than models from other companies. It can be more performant than certain other models in specific domains. It is possible that this mystery model is in fact GPT 4.5. Google has laid off staff across key teams like Flutter, Dart, Python, and others ahead of its annual I/O developer conference in May. The company says that the layoffs aim to help it simplify its structures to give employees more opportunities to work on innovative and important advances while reducing bureaucracy and layers. Some employees were asked to onboard their offshore replacements. Affected employees will be able to apply for other open roles at Google. Techstars experienced 2 weeks of chaos after Silicon Valley Bank's collapse. SVB's parent company was a major investor in Techstars, and Techstars had a sizable deposit in SVB. The long-sought thorium transition has been found. This discovery promises revolutionary technological applications and could answer the question of whether the constants of nature are actually constant or whether they change in space and time. It makes it possible to combine classical quantum physics and nuclear physics. The technology can be used for precision measurements. It could create new types of clocks that would be significantly more accurate than the best atomic clocks available today, and devices that analyze the gravitational field around Earth to provide indications of mineral resources or earthquakes.